Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial to help you on some of the tricky part of how to make this handy suit hat, and I'm using the black and white yarn. On this round we have 12 stitches, totally 12 stitches. Join first and last stitch together with slip stitches. Bring yarn, chaining, 1 double crochet in first stitch and 2 double crochet in each stitch. Totally we have 24 stitches in this row. In third row, 1 chaining, 1 double crochet in first stitch and 1 double crochet in next stitch. In the next stitch, 2 double crochet, 1 2 double crochet in one stitch, and in next stitch 1 double crochet. We have 2 1 2 1 double crochet in each stitch. We have 36 stitch in this row. One chain, 1 double crochet in first stitch, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet in next stitch. In the next stitch, go in the next stitch and 2 double crochet, 2 1 1 2 1 1 double crochet for this row. Make one chain, one single crochet in first stitch for this row, one single crochet, go into next stitch, one double crochet stitch, one double crochet, one single crochet with white yarn, one single, one double crochet in each stitch for this row. Change yarn, one chain, make a chain, one double crochet in first stitch, one double crochet in first stitch, go into next stitch, one single crochet, one double crochet, one single crochet in each stitch for this row. In the last row of job, one double crochet in each stitch from front of each stitch. I show this, one double crochet in each stitch.